Blessed morning, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. Big Voice Radio in the building. Don't know what thing going on. See, today is a beautiful day. Thank God, I don't wake up dead.
You're serious?
Give thanks for life every time. So today is going to be an interesting topic. I am going to talk about spice. A little thing I go on with spice, and you know me I go address it. You don't know, so me I go address it from spice perspective and from the school and societal perspective. Seeing? Because there's a lot of hypocrisy in our culture and a long time. So me I go address it. Some want to stay tuned. You don't know anything going on. Enjoy yourself watching a video. Learn something. Okay? Just not only watch, learn. Yeah man. So stay tuned. It's going to be an interesting topic. And me I go post some videos so you can educate on yourself. Seeing? Because we are Jamaican and we're smart. Yeah man. So big up on yourself. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Cause Gloria grow for 2025. Seeing? Big up on yourself. Watch the info. Watch the intro. And come back to my office. You don't know.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
Alright, welcome back, my viewers and my subscribers. So, earlier, me I tell you say I want to talk about spice. But first thing I want to say this to the public. If you don't know by now, Cartel seems like him really get him visa now. Get what I say, so you know say if him get it, well, him get it.
People, I'm telling you something. See, God is the greatest and not no be time. Always remember to do good. Good I will follow you. God is the greatest. Big up that kind gentleman at the embassy. When we got there Tuesday or Monday, Tuesday. I spoke to him on Tuesday and I spoke to him a while ago. And he gave me good words of encouragement. So big up to that man at the embassy. Big up the US Embassy. Big up Gaza Nation. God is the greatest. Never forget. What is under my nose? I'm out.
We are coming into the mansion. See the two coordinator them, yeah? The two wicked.
One. See them.
If you're not going to get back,
If you're not give me to get back my visa. Where's the bed?
what is on the menu?
Yo, that is a good look for Vibes Cartel. You don't know, so the thing take off because him nominated for what them call it, Grammy Best Reggae Album. Yeah man, and me say SHENSEEA are the closest one to challenge him. So that is a good look for Cartel. I go post the video. I just see how him talk and him a give God thanks. So me I say everybody deserve a second chance, and that's it. So big up Cartel same way. Don't know say the thing I go big, bigger and global same way. Big up yourself, mad thing. Anyways, more talk about spice, and me have some video where me go post when him a talk about what him a go do and how him want to do the school tour and everything, to motivate the youth them for saying no to certain bad things in a school. Seeing? So I go play the video and then make on hear what I go on. and come back and tell me what you think. Alright.
I'm so emotional. I'm going to try to regroup and stay true to the reason why I'm actually here. So I started this tour and it's called the Oh No School Tour because I want to remind you guys that it's okay to say no. I feel like society is making you feel like you need to say yes to everything, you need to fit in every trend. And so I'm on an aim to restore societal values because I feel like the trends that is happening outside right now is making us feel like we need to fit in. But I'm here to tell you it's okay to be different and it's okay to stand out. It's okay to be unique. I said temporary pleasure can cause you a lifetime of disaster. Even our young ladies having sex at an early age. Imagine you getting pregnant and getting stagnant and ruin your entire future. That's why this tour is about oh no, so you can say no to early sex, no to these drugs, no to these trends and these things that make you feel like you have to fit into society. When I was coming to school, I never fit in. I was always different. Well, from you look at me, you see me different. How could you?
Alright, well, on the ear Spice. And the thing is now, we have to understand, say, yo, full disclaimer. When it comes to artists and music, we have to understand, say, yo, an artist need to acknowledge, say, you have big influence upon kids. You have whole heap of influence, whole heap of, you don't even know how influential to kids in a bad way and good way. So you don't know, you have an apostle, a pastor man, think him named Jeffrey. Yeah, I go post a video with him too, you know, a counteract and a talk about Spice is not the right person to relay a certain message in the school to the school youths. And I go talk about Spice because you have to understand, you have Spice, the musician, and you have Grace Hamilton, I think I saw her name, as the person. So Spice, the musician, is the art form, and Grace Hamilton is the real person, the mother, the auntie, the sister, the great person. But Spice have to understand this. Even though I go talk about Spice in one light, or if it defend her and make sure know say, yo, don't stop the way I do because you do great things. And a whole heap of people look up to you as a black girl. Because enough people underestimate, you know, how society is very prejudiced.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
You know, people were dark and people were light skinned, people were brown and people were white, whatever. It's reality. See, that's why you will have a black man and a white man, right? You will have a white man right now drive in the ghetto with a Benz. White man a drive the Benz in the ghetto and everything and in good. Nobody now do him nothing. But make a black youth, make one of we Jamaican rise up and buy a Benz and drive through the ghetto and stop and everything and see the energy change. There's something in us black people can't accept the fact that a man will look like you can become something. Them accept a white man, a Chinese man, a Indian, but them can't accept a black youth or a black girl to do certain things. And as me say, with Spice, you have pros to it and you have cons because she have to understand, say, yo, even though she do a good thing, she have to understand Spice, the entertainer, people are going to look towards, say, yo, that are the real person. Even though she's Grace Hamilton. See, Spice have to understand this. Other artists, when time you project yourself in a certain light and certain image, people are going to judge you based off that image.
You know I'm happy, yeah. And them other girl ready, me say. I know you see this bumper happy,
especially pastors and people in a society will hold certain principles and morals.
So one woman in her respectable right mind. Yeah. Want a bunch of trash and garbage and parasites and insects. Yes.
You serious?
She have to understand that. Even though she do a good thing. See? I'm a defend her in terms of to relay a certain positive thing in the school and everything. And people not to judge her character based off what them see on TV. But people are going to do that. Because that's what them see. If you type in Spice, where you going to see come up?
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
You serious?
If my daughter type in Spice on TV up on her phone, what come up? Not a girl, not a Spice now on church clothes. They must show Spice in a X-rated and promiscuous looking, sexual looking. So that's why it is very important for Spice understand that same way. And when you put out yourself in certain imagery, certain visual expression, and certain way how you put out yourself out there, it will affect you when you want to try to do certain good things in society. Morally, it will affect you. So, I'll play some video and you can get back to me and make me know what you think. Alright.
Artist called Spice. And you know the songs, the lyrics, all of that. The various songs she would have done, the videos and so on. And this so-called school tour, right? It's a high school tour. And it's called Oh No School Tour. And we're seeing a number of schools are slated to be visited by this person. And of course, starting today. It's very interesting and very disturbing also. And this Hell No would be the caption of a song she did. When you look on the X-rated nature of the lyrics and then the moves, the different moves. So X-rated is are the lyrics that I couldn't even read them. Okay, when you look at the lyrics, the content of the lyrics, the lewdness and the crudeness and the immorality, which is evident. And then the video itself of this song. And they're having this so-called Hell No School Tour. Now, I would want to know if this has been ratified by the Ministry of Education and whatever other additions they have made. I'm very interested in finding out if it were sanctioned, if this is official and if it were sanctioned. We know that this artist is a symbol and has been for years of sexual immorality and promiscuity. Okay. We also know that many of her songs, right, are not fit for earplay. That's already established. We know that. We also know that the music video, Hell No, is glorifying the opposite of what the song seems. So I would like to know if this is a meme. Is it a meme? Is it just a joke? Or this is really official? I mean, laugh at me if you think, because I'm asleep. I must be asleep. I'm pinching myself. Is this a joke? Or is this serious? Because if it is serious, if this is official, I am the first. And I'm no public, I know that. To go public, and I will take it further too. Not just by decrying it and denouncing it and repudiating it and rejecting it, but I'll go further and do other things, which of course I won't say just yet. But this is unacceptable. If it
say I'm not the right messenger, but I do have a message for this apostle though, because I want to know if you read any of the No, he said I'm not the right messenger. It's not coming from the right
So
person.
even a world boss who get locked up on the whole thing right now. World boss no one good person going to school to talk to the youth then.
But he's the biggest influence though, so why wouldn't he be the right person? But again, my point to you now, Ron, I would like to talk to the apostle because guess what? I want to know if him read the book of Paul, if him read Acts, if him not read Corinthians or none of that. Because remember, I know, Saul turned in a Paul, so and God did use him as a messenger to bring the Christian word. So how him to determine who is the right messenger? So that means I'm going to take out the whole of them part out of the Bible and not read none of Paul, no Romans, no Acts, no Corinthians. So I'm super saddened by the fact that he's judging the spice person that him claim him sit down on him radio station and that.
So how you know your video them? How you know your video them?
Me no know. Because him talk about them, him watch them. Him talk about them, can watch them. He says, the type of videos when me make, I'm not a fitting person if you go talk. So, he watch them.
How you see the video them, my boss? Somebody tell him how you video them? Brother, come down now.
And here's me I do this for.
That's a one.
You know me not give up, but you know the fight also. And I like, you know, see the whole heap of fight them. So for my thing, I'm like, okay, why do I need to be fighting to do something good? Or, you know, I know what I'm doing and my heart. I know where my heart is and the gesture that I'm doing for the kids. This initiative was started because it's aimed to kind of restore societal values because of the trend we are going on social media and everything that's happening with the kids in school and the slangs that is happening. I just wanted to take my personal time to go speak with them, to encourage them that it's okay to say no to anything that devalues who they are. The problem now is there's this particular, I think he's an apostle from TBC radio. He did a full thing on it where everything he's talking about is spice. Oh, her videos, if you see her videos, if you hear her songs, and everything he's talking about is spice, which has absolutely nothing to do with the school tour and the reason I'm doing the school tour. So I guess it's up to
no, we don't want to put off the school tour at all.
It's a hard decision because a lot of school have been reaching out. If you ever see me email, if you ever see me email, I know that there's dire need to have these conversations. But you know what? The greatest thing, and I want the public to also know,
tell him.
I'm not even performing. There's no performance.
So you're not going to do that? Something like it.
I don't do no performances.
Until and unless this lady renounce and denounce that behavior, conduct, and lifestyle that she portrays in her videos and also is evident in her songs, she is in no place and position to influence and to talk to and to mentor any of our children. She does not qualify. We need to call a spade a spade. And when you talk about love, of course I love her. And that is why I'm speaking the way I'm speaking. There is an all-out push to normalize vulgarity, lewdness, crudeness, right across the spectrum in Jamaica. And we're seeing it coming from all different angles. And our schools are being targeted. And we're making it clear that we will not accept it. It is unacceptable. We renounce and we reject it. How can the Ministry of Education be having different rules and regulations, read devotion, and to have devotions in a number of the schools, we have to be jumping through so many hoops. And here we can have someone who we know her lifestyle and all, what she represents is well known. It's there. It's not hidden. We are struggling in our schools. Our students are not focusing. We have looked at the plummeting academic performances right across the board, not just in math and English and in science, but right across the board. They are not focusing on their scholastics, right? On their academics. And yet, we are going to be having an influencer, because she's an influencer. She's known as an influencer. Not an influence of wholesomeness, coming into our schools or going into our schools to influence our students to study, Study what?
Oh, you know see what I go on? The apostle now, as me say, you have pros and cons to it. Because me not lie, me have to applaud him. Reason why me applaud him, not because him a turn down Spice or whatever Spice I try to do. It show me say society still have moral and discipline and principle same way. As an apostle, as a pastor, and as school and people of integrity and certain principle, yo. It show me say society still have that.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
So one woman in her respectable right mind. Yeah. Want a bunch of trash and garbage and parasites and insects.
Yes. You serious?
And we don't have enough. Because it sure say, yo, people are protect the little youth them same way with them see as much as possible, even though you can't stop them from see what they want to see. But it show me say society still hold fast on certain things because Spice project herself in a certain way. So me have to give the apostle credit same way, even though on the next side it come like say she him a hold down Spice in a one way or a fight against Spice. You know, because Spice I go feel a way about that. But it does show say society still want hold fast to certain things. So I go play some clips and make you watch and see what I go on. Make me know what you think. You don't know. Big Voice in the building. Don't say a word. Big Voice Radio. Tune in, like, comment and subscribe. Make me know what you think. Alright? If Spice right or Spice wrong. If you apostle right or you apostle wrong. Make me know what you think. I think it's 50-50. Spice have a point. The apostle also have a point in terms of moral principle and disciplines. Big up on yourself.
Tell her try your best just to make it quick.